So the second thing related to valuing, this is valuing, sorry for this typo. Valuing bonds between coupon payments is basically calculation of the accrued interest and then calculation of the clean price. What we mean by clean price is basically it is the dirty price, the price which should be paid, right? So, how to calculate accrued interest? Remember, we calculated W, and we calculated W is T divided by small t, right? Calculating accrued interest is basically the semi-annual coupon. So basically, we are talking about accrued interest equals to semi-annual coupon uh, multiplied by 1 minus W, or equivalently it is semi-annual interest multiplied by days in accrued interest period divided by days in coupon period. So in our previous example, which we are talking about, our semi-annual interest is basically 50. Our days in accrued interest period are same, 81 divided by 382, and you will sorry, 182, 91 and 182, which will be equal to 25, right? So if we use 0.5 here or use this formula, it's the same, right? So this is how we calculate accrued interest, right? Now the full price is simply, the clean price is simply the full price minus accrued interest, which is AI, right? So in our case, our the full price we had calculated was basically 1056.82. So 1056.82 minus 25, right? And you will get 10231.8. That's all.